The chapter is Arithmetic Progression for Standard 10. Here we have to find the nth term and the 16th term of the AP Arithmetic Progression 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. Now first, let us write the formula for finding the nth term. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, where here a is the first term, a is equal to 3, then d is equal to a2 minus a1. So 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Now we will find an is equal to 3 plus n is, n we don't know, 2. So this is equal to 3 plus 2n minus 2. So that is equal to 3 minus 2 is 1. So 2n plus 1. So an is equal to 2n plus 1. Now we have to find the 16th term. So to find the 16th term, any term, you can simply substitute n is equal to 16 here. So a16 is equal to 2 into 16 plus 1, that is equal to 32 plus 1, 33. Here in this question it is given the nth term of an AP is 5n minus 2. Find the first term, common difference, and the 19th term. So we can write this as an is equal to 5n minus 2. Now to find the first term, put n is equal to 1, you get the first term. You put n is equal to 2, you will get the second term, and so on. So we'll find a1. a1 is equal to 5 into 1 minus 2, that is equal to 3. Now we have to find the common difference. To find the common difference, you need the second term. So second term minus the first term, you get the common difference. So we will find now a2 is equal to, again you substitute n is equal to 2 here. So 5 into 2 minus 2, that is 10 minus 2 is 8. Now common difference d is equal to a2 minus a1, that is 8 minus 3 equal to 5. So you have d is equal to 5. You have the first term a1 is equal to 3. Now you have to find the 19th term. So a19 is equal to, you can use the formula, but no need of using the formula. Straight away you can put 19 here, substitute 19 here, and then find the value. So 5 into 19 minus 2 is equal to 93. If you use the formula, then also you will get the same answer. We will just check it now. So a19 is equal to a plus 18d, that is equal to a is 3 plus 18 into d is 5, that is equal to, if you substitute, if you simplify, you get 3 plus 90 equal to 93. But you can simply substitute in this and directly do it. Here it is given if the 7th term of an AP is 1 by 9 and its 9th term is 1 by 7, find its 63rd term. So we have to find from these two, we have to find a and the first term and the common difference. Then we can find a63rd term. So here we will write this a7 is equal to 1 by 9. That is what is given. That means a plus 6d is equal to 1 by 9. Similarly, a9 is equal to 1 by 7. That means a plus 8d is equal to 1 by 7. Now we have two equations and two unknowns. So we will subtract this. What we did in linear equation So subtracting. So you get 6d minus 8d minus 2d is equal to 1 by 9 minus 1 by 9 minus 1 by 7. You get 7 minus 9, that is equal to minus 2 by 63. So minus 2 by 63. So d is equal to, from this you get d is equal to 2 minus 2 and minus 2 will get cancelled, equal to 1 by 63. Now substitute this value of d in either of these equations, you will get the value of a. So a is equal to, so let us write this as 1 and 2. Substituting d equal to 1 by 63 in 1, we get a is equal to 1 by 9 minus 6d, 6 by 63. So we'll take the LCM. So you got a is equal to 1 by 63. Now we have to find the 63rd term. So a 63 is equal to a plus n minus 1 into n minus 1 into d, that is 62d. That is equal to a is equal to 1 by 63 plus 62 into d is 1 by 63. So this is equal to a 63 is equal to 1. Which term of the AP 5, 9, 13, 17 is 81? So it is given 81 is the nth term. So we have to find n. So a is equal to 5. Then d is equal to 9 minus 5, that is equal to 4. And then an is equal to 81. So now we have to find n is which term, that is we have to find n. So we write an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So an is 81 is equal to 5 plus n minus 1 into d is 4. So we get, that is equal to 5 plus 4n minus 4. So 5 minus 4 is 1. So it comes here. So it becomes 80 is equal to 4n, from which n is equal to 80 by 4, 20. So the 20th term is 81. How many terms are there in the AP? This. So we can write. So it is similar to the previous question that we did. So n is equal to 8 we have to take and then find n. So a is equal to 41. D is equal to 38 minus 41. So it is minus 3. And then an is equal to 8. Now we have to find n. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So you get 41 is equal to an is equal to 8. 8 is equal to 41 plus n minus 1 into minus 3. So you get 8 is equal to 41 minus 3n plus 3. We multiply 3 with this term, these terms. So minus 3n plus 3. So this will become 44 minus 3n. 44 minus 3n. So we will bring 3n this side. So 44 minus 8. 36. So n is equal to 36 by 3. So 12. So n is equal to, there are 12 terms. So n is equal to 12. Find the middle term of the AP. 6, 13, 20 up to 216 is given. The last term is also given here. So here first we have to find you have to find the number of terms, and then you have to find the which is the middle term, and then find the value of the middle term. So it's given A is equal to 6, D is equal to 13 minus 6, 7, and AN is equal to 216. So again AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So you have to write the formula in the exam. I will simply substitute here. So 216 AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into 7 D, N minus 1 into D. So that becomes 216 minus 6, 210, 210 by 7, 30 is equal to N minus 1, from which N is equal to, you get 31. Now this is a odd number. So to find the middle term will be is n plus 1 by 2. So here it is 31 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 30, 32 by 2 is 16. So 16th term will be the middle term. Now you have to find the value of the middle term. So now you have to find A16, that is equal to A plus 15D. 15D, D is 7. So 15 into 7. So 6 plus 105 is equal to 111. So you get N is equal to 31 and A16 is equal to 111. So here you have to first find the number of terms, and if it is odd number you have to find n plus 1 by 2, and then again find the value of that middle term. Now we have to find the 8th term from the end of the AP, 7, 10, 13, etc. 184. So till now we were finding from the starting. Now we have to find the nth term from the end. So the formula is the same formula, A plus N minus 1 into D. Instead of that, in the place of A we write L, and then since it is from the back you put minus, then N minus 1 into D. So this is equal to, now the last term is equal to, we'll write down the last term, L is equal to 184, then D is equal to 7, so 3. So nth term, AN from end is equal to 184 minus, find the 8th term. So n is equal to 8. So you have to find A8 from the end. So this is equal to 184 minus n 70. So 7 into 3. So 184 minus 21. So 163.